Hello everyone, and welcome back to Total Health Turnaround. In today's video, we reveal a morning routine that is linked to causing high blood pressure and ED in millions of people worldwide. By the end of this video, you will be armed with the knowledge you need to adjust your lifestyle if you are one of the folks performing this daily routine. Please watch to the end so you don't miss a thing. Let's dive right in. Nitric oxide, often hailed as the miracle molecule, is a gas naturally produced by our bodies. Despite its humble origins, its impact on our health is nothing short of remarkable. Nitric oxide acts as a signaling molecule, influencing various physiological processes to promote overall well-being. Let's review the many benefits of nitric oxide in our bodies. First off, our cardiovascular health is impacted because nitric oxide is a vasodilator, relaxing and widening blood vessels. This dilation improves blood flow, lowers blood pressure, and reduces the risk of cardiovascular disease such as hypertension and atherosclerosis. During physical activity, nitric oxide facilitates oxygen delivery to muscles, enhancing endurance and performance. Athletes and fitness enthusiasts can harness its benefits to achieve peak results in their workouts. Nitric oxide plays a pivotal role in neurotransmission, supporting cognitive function, memory, and learning. A healthy supply of nitric oxide ensures optimal brain health and mental acuity. Let's not forget our immune system, which relies on nitric oxide to fend off invading pathogens and keep us healthy. When nitric oxide production takes a nosedive, our immune defenses may weaken, leaving us more susceptible to infections and illnesses. So, how is nitric oxide made? Nitric oxide is synthesized in various parts of the body through different mechanisms. Here are some key sources of nitric oxide production. The endothelium, the inner lining of blood vessels, produces nitric oxide in response to various stimuli, including the sheer stress of blood flow. Surprisingly, nitric oxide is also generated in the nasal passages, particularly during activities like humming. This nasal nitric oxide serves important functions in respiratory and immune health. Neurons in the brain produce nitric oxide, which is also a neurotransmitter involved in various cognitive functions. As we've learned, nitric oxide is a key player in various bodily functions, from cardiovascular health to cognitive function and immune health. It's like the unsung hero of our well-being, quietly working behind the scenes to keep us in top form. So, what are some of the things that can damage nitric oxide production? Item number 1 is a poor diet. Yup, you guessed it. What we eat plays a big role in nitric oxide production. Diets high in processed foods, saturated fats, and refined sugars can disrupt this process, while diets rich in fruits and vegetables, especially leafy greens, can help keep the nitric oxide factory humming smoothly. Our bodies love to move, and regular physical activity is a key player in the nitric oxide production. Conversely, a sedentary lifestyle can slow nitric oxide production, so getting up, moving, and keeping those blood vessels happy is important. We all know smoking is bad news for our health, but did you know it can also sabotage our nitric oxide production? Yep. The chemicals in cigarettes can damage blood vessels and impair nitric oxide synthesis, so kicking the habit is a win-win for your overall well-being. Stress is the bane of modern existence, and it can wreak havoc on nitric oxide production. When stressed out, our bodies release hormones that can constrict blood vessels and interfere with nitric oxide signaling. So, finding ways to manage stress is key in keeping nitric oxide flowing. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at producing nitric oxide. It's just one of those unfortunate facts of life. But fear not. By adopting a healthy lifestyle and making smart choices, we can offset the natural decline in nitric oxide production as we age. Toxins lurking in our environment, like air pollution and heavy metals, can also damage nitric oxide production. So, minimize exposure to these nasties can help protect our nitric oxide levels and keep us feeling our best. Antacids, those trusty little helpers we turn to when heartburn strikes or indigestion kicks in. While they relieve discomfort, some research suggests that frequent use of antacids could have unintended consequences for nitric oxide levels. Antacids work by neutralizing stomach acid, which can be beneficial for easing digestive woes. However, stomach acid also plays a role in converting dietary nitrate into nitric oxide. So, when we tamp down on stomach acid with antacids, we might inadvertently limit the body's ability to produce nitric oxide. Now, as promised, the daily morning habit that can destroy your nitric oxide production is using certain mouthwashes. Recent studies have revealed a surprising link between certain mouthwashes and nitric oxide production. Mouthwashes designed to kill germs may inadvertently disrupt the oral production of nitric oxide, leading to potential health implications. When oral nitric oxide production is compromised due to the use of germ-killing mouthwashes or any of the other reasons previously mentioned, it can lead to vasoconstriction and the narrowing of blood vessels. This constriction may contribute to conditions like high blood pressure and erectile dysfunction, where adequate blood flow is essential for optimal function. Nitric oxide is a marvel of the human body, with far-reaching benefits for our health and vitality. By understanding its roles and mechanisms of production, we can make informed choices to support its levels and optimize our well-being. So, next time you reach for that mouthwash or an antacid, consider its potential impact on your nitric oxide levels and remember to hum a tune to boost nasal production of this vital molecule. Thank you so much for watching this video today. We really do appreciate your kind support. Please share this video with someone you know who needs to know more about the information we shared in this video. Also, please leave a comment below and let us know what types of videos you'd like to see in the future. Until next time, I will see you in the next video.